I'm so much delighted. My name is Fawwaz Hammad, the Technical Office Director over Bawani, and I'm very much delighted to be here. Today, I will present a project done by our team in Bawani. It's a design and build, and as you know, it's a long process. So I will focus on the part associated with the development of FM-enabled construction models. I don't have a lot of time as the counter is there, so I need to go straight away to the case. The project is a coastal village. It's in Omloj, residential development and mix of different types of units. We have 2, 3, 4 unit types, a total of 200. And the total area is 27,000 square meter. As I said, our scope was design and build, and we started with the development of design at different stages, different LODs, until we completed the construction model, and then we moved to the FM-enabled construction models. And this is the subject of our presentation. Just before I start, I'm gonna do some stops and go some basic concepts related to the facility management. Now, according to the IFMA, facility management is an organizational function which integrates people, place, and process. Now, this is with the support of technology. It will definitely improve the quality of people and occupants. Now, the ultimate objective and goal of the facility management is to achieve an optimal performance of the facility and assets and all its contents, to achieve a better functionality and higher level of comfort and safety, and achieve a better sustainable places and facilities. In an optimized operation, to achieve better efficiencies. It's very well known that the introduction of BIM into the industry has helped a lot in adding a lot of value to the facility management. Now, the accuracy and the level of information in the BIM models has helped the facility managers at later stage to improve decision-making process. And the data that is there has helped as well to have a better control of the time and cost. The maintenance become more effective, smarter, and we are in a better position to manage our facilities, the assets, the buildings, and achieve better efficiencies. Now, the reason I'm showing this slide and this chart is that I want to show the relationship between the BIM maturity levels as well as the asset information models. Now, the more we go up in the levels from 0 to 3, the better collaboration, higher collaboration, and the better relationship between the models and the facility management. For instance, level 0, it's, as we know, it's a CAD-based. All what we expect in level 0 is fragmented engineering discipline models that are not linked to the O&M documentation. So what we expect that the facility managers will do a lot of manual stuff. Now, the more we move up into the levels, we have a better collaboration. And in level 3, for example, it's more real BIM integrated models, cloud-based. And what we expect is the CAFM system will be linked to the 3D models. Now, the copy file and the IFC will be integrated into the CAFM platform. I'm going to go back to our case and what we have done. We did develop the design in different stages, and we kept adding information related to that stage until we completed the 400 and the construction model, and then we moved on to the as-built 500. What we have done is that the team has been collecting lots of information at that stage to convert the 500 into and enable this construction model into FM facility management enabled model. Now, the question, what are the information that's really needed to help in converting this or enabling this construction model to be facility management. This slide shows different categories. We have information related to the site, actual size, location, and orientation. There is data and information related to the selected materials, equipments. This is related to the manufacturer, the model number, technical data. And all the information we take from that data sheet has been extracted and fed into the model. There are some other categories related to the O&M manuals taken from the different vendors, suppliers, and the information were related to the serial number, warranty information, asset tag, lifespan. There are some other parameters as well. We're talking about asset Unicode, asset type, and the system. Of course, this is the minimum and the basic information that's really needed to help in achieving an FM-enabled construction model. Now, the more we add information at this stage, the better we get results later when we integrate the model with the CAFM platform. This is one of the examples where we have the exhaust fan servicing one of the rooms, and we see how the information has been plugged into the model. Another case, fire alarm control panel. We've taken all the information from the selected data sheets and we added all this information to the model. One more example of VAV units and the different components and the information that we have added to the system. Now, once we have completed all of this, what we have come up with is a federated model, and it's combining all the 200 villas, and the total models what we got is 1,400, and this is basically come from the 7 models for each villa, 4 for architecture, 1 structure, and 2 for MEP. Now, all the 1,400 models has been exported into different versions, extensions, and a total of 5,600 models. The copy file has been created that includes all the asset information. This is just a view of the federated model and all the information there with the assets. Now the process, what happened is that we have the as-built, as we said. We've added all the information related to the equipment systems into the model, and then we've exported this into IFC. Now the IFC, as well as a copy file, will be integrated to a CAFM software or tool, the selected one. And this is basically the real value that will help the facility managers. The CAFM software and tool will help in reading all the information that we fed into the model. Now the question, how does the CAFM tools and softwares, how does it help the facility managers to do their job better? The information that are there and the integration with the CAFM will help in having more detailed information about the asset. And this will help the facility managers in better tracking the expenditures related to the spare parts, the system, materials. And they will have a better integration process with the risk or with the HR and different other processes. And we will be in a better position to have a better planning for future retrofit and renovation. Facility managers, they will be in a better control of cost and resources as well. With all the information they have in hand, they can find ways of saving money without compromising, of course, the quality, and track and monitor for optimal performance. They can put in place preventive maintenance programs, and they can connect with the IoT, especially with the existence of digital twin. So we'll have really actual readings that will help in achieving better efficiencies. Facility managers, they can do a lot of things at the same time in more systematic and more effective way. and they can do prioritization. The teamwork will be more coordinated, and we have a better workforce engagement. Finally, and this is one of the best values of the CFM tool, is the dashboards. It's more intelligent and smart and can be customized to suit the facility manager's needs and reflect all the KPIs. And of course, it's going to have updated information and can be connected remotely. This is in brief the experience of Bawani in dealing with the one of the FM projects, and all the information that has been collected to enable the construction model for FM for facility management. Thank you very much, and thanks for your attention.
Thank you.